Jai Guruji. Guruji saves my father. A late night call from my sister 2 days before Holi of March 2006 summoned me to my father's bedside. He had been admitted to the ICU of a hospital in Haldwani, a town in the Kumaon foothills, after suffering from an attack of a high blood pressure. As soon as my sister had finished giving the bad news, my wife and I realized right away that Guruji had been forewarning us in this own way. Just before Shivratri in February 2006, he had inquired about my father, who had come down from his residence in Bhimtal to be with us in Gurgaon that winter. Guruji had wanted to know if my father had left for home before Shivratri, as indeed he had. Guruji had sent word through another devotee and my maternal uncle, retired Colonel S.K. Joshi, that my father and my mother should come and stay with us. The Guru's words, always prophetic, were not heeded. So my father could not escape the high blood pressure attack. He had it while he was travelling to Bhimtal from Haldwani, where he had attended a function of Life Insurance Corporation of India, from which he had retired. It was quite severe and would have been fatal had it not been for Guruji's grace. As the blood pressure had risen, father's nose had started bleeding, relieving the pressure from the arteries. But for this, anything could have taken place. Quite possibly a stroke that could have ended in fatality or left him paralyzed. I found a repentant dad at the ICU. He wished he had acted on Guruji's message. But Guruji's grace saw it to it, and dad was back home after staying just a night in the ICU. Dad recuperated in Haldwani for a week or so, and then we all returned to Gurgaon. While he was recuperating, Dad had told me that he hoped Guruji would allow him to spend some time at Bade Mandir. I was worried about Dad's blood pressure. It was refusing to abate. But I need not have. We were, after all, in Guruji's safe harbour, in his Sharan. Like a kind, protective father, Guruji set about dispelling our troubles. First, he granted Dad's unsaid wish to go to Mandir. Then, my father was asked to bring a copper tumbler, which Guruji blessed, and he was told to drink water from it. Dad did as he was told. He went to the Mandir, he drank his blessings every day. And he also had his fill of the langar. This was contrary to the doctor's advice. Dad was supposed to be sick to a bland, low-salt diet. Guruji's langar was anything but. My father was also recommended bed rest, but he became involved in the pre-Baisakhi preparations at the Mandir. Within 3 weeks of his arrival in Gurgaon, we were witness to a miracle. Days after Dad had started drinking water from his magic tumbler of blessings, there was a dramatic improvement in his health. His blood pressure eased down. Not only did Guruji blessings bring Dad's blood pressure down, they poured water on the doctor's dear prescriptions, presenting signs once again with the challenging and mystery of faith. For my father, Guruji's blessings have proved to be a life-savior. And for my wife and me, blessed with his many kindnesses and his love. It is difficult to express in words all that the heart feels. We can only wish to be at his lotus feet if he so desires. Forever, our pranams to Guruji. Satsang of Jitu.
Jai Guruji.